Hey guys, we got a Mark III Supra, MA70. This car's been off the road for a number of years. It came to me just recently, and I already had the motor. It was a Crown, a 151 Crown VVti engine. So we've got that in, we've got it running. Today was the first day it ran in the new car. We had it running on the floor recently. My bucket of noise. So the wire coming down the windscreen comes from the factory fuel pump wiring over the car. So the car is actually controlling the fuel pump. So that's nice to know that circuit's working. Most of the engine bay's coming along pretty well. I'm pretty happy with that. We're yet to do power steer reservoirs, so that's got to be done yet, and the airflow meter's got to be mounted yet. Using the factory fuse box, I had to add one extra fuse just for the drive-by wire, so I've just tucked that. It's going to live under the fuse box. And inside, we've got the UZ computer. It all just plugs into the Supra. Still got plenty of work to go on that. Indicators on the dash, speedo, tacho, that sort of stuff. You'll see my shifter. It's a piece of steel, but we needed something to shift it through the gears. But it goes. This is the first day it's run, so we'll just make some noise. There we go. She's a runner. Look how smooth that is. So it's always a big day when an engine and a conversion runs for the first time. I rang the customer and gave him the rev on speakerphone, so he's happy as. So we'll continue getting this finished, making it roadworthy, finishing all the other little bits and pieces that need to be sorted, but a big step forward. Hey guys, here's Supra, MA70. Had a 7M GT in it, and now we've got a VVti 1UZ. It's wired in. We're getting to the end of the job. It's not quite finished, but today we've been doing dash, so I'm pretty happy about that. We've been trying to get the oil pressure going, and that's been giving me a bit of grief, but we've got the correct sender once we found it, because the original sender didn't get swapped over. We're just going to have a look at that dash, shall we? There's the engine bay. It's looking pretty good in there. So the wiring's starting to look reasonable. Picture doesn't look, it looks a bit crazy, but it's actually pretty reasonable in there. It'll fit in quite nicely. Dash is in, got an alarm, and then we'll just flick this on. So this morning what I've been doing is doing those shift indicators. We already had reverse. We've now all got all those shift indicators, which is great. We've got some oil pressure, so when we start it, we better just put it into neutral, because that does actually work. You see we've got some oil pressure now, which is lovely. We've got a tacho, and if I just put my foot on the brake and shift it into gear, and there we go, we've got a speedo that's working, so I'm pretty happy. The boxes to make all those, calibrate them up. I haven't calibrated the speedo as such, but the fact that it's working is enough for me. We can do that once we get it out on the road. So we're pretty happy about that. Rev counter, I had to swap it over and change it around a little bit just to get it to rev correctly. But it now comes up quite nicely and it goes up, and funnily enough the rev cut is at 6,500 RPM, just where it goes into the reed anyway, so that's just about perfect. Temp gauge was already working, that was pretty straightforward, but I'm pretty happy. It's just about ready to go back to the customer for him to put it all, do the assembly. He's been helping me with the job, so it's just awesome. Talk to you later.